This isn't bad. Okay. This works very well. Let me call down. This is really good. I didn't think this would work. Oh, hi, Ohima. I'm trying something. Never mind, babe. It's finally working. So I connected my Canon camera to my MacBook so that the camera would come directly from, the image would come directly from my camera and using my lens or whatever instead of the MacBook laptop. And it works so well, so well. I just testing it and I thought maybe, let me give it a try. So it works, babe. Check by me. Okay, bye.
That's good.
Yeah, it works. So what I'm using is the cord. I'm sure you probably have that cord. The cord, I'll send you the instructions. No worry, on Instagram. Never mind. But you need just one cord connected to your 80D or whatever. And I'm actually using my 50mm lens, which is why I'm so up close. So in case you want to change it or whatever. The EOS. Yes, not the HDMI. It's actually the USB, the small, tiny one. Not USB-C, this one. Oh, let me try that. So this is connected to my laptop, and then the other end is the regular tiny USB, the one that we usually use for like Android, is connected to the camera. And it's working fine. I'm so happy that it's working. You can actually do makeup live now and just be done with it without worrying about the quality. You know what I mean? And I'm able to also see yours is HDR. Okay. I don't know if it would work with the HDMI, but it probably would and probably even give a better quality. But I think from what I've watched from the tutorials that I watched, the guy used it on Zoom, and I obviously don't have a Zoom and I don't want to use it on Zoom. I want to use it on YouTube. And the guy used Zoom, and I wanted to just try to see if it would work for YouTube, live streaming. It does, and I'm really glad that it does. But yeah, I got the cord from one, and I thought, let me give it a try since it's just been sitting in the bag. Well, actually, this is it. You probably can't. This is the name of the cord. It doesn't even have a real name, but it's called Cable Creations, and it's the USB 2.0 type C to a mini USB male cable. That's the cord that I'm using. Yeah, I'm not gonna stay up here long. I just wanted to test to see if this will work that way. I want to do makeup. Hey, it's evening time right now, and I just have 2 soft boxes on and work, and it does work. But there's a bit of a step to it. So you have to actually go to Canon to download the software first before you are able to get this whole thing working. It wasn't working for me at first, but before you get it, you pretty much download the Canon EOS app that works for your camera. And then once you get that, once you get downloaded, you need to, it'll pretty much prompt you to update whatever EOS you already have. Follow the instructions. It's really easy. But the thing that I kind of stumbled upon for this to work is, when you're trying to Google search, in the Google search on Google Chrome, go up to that camera section because it's already connected to your Google Chrome. You can only do this through Google Chrome, and that's how I'm talking to you all right now. You see a camera thing there, and you have to allow it. Once you allow it, then you see yourself. All right. Thank you so much, Ohima and Amy and everyone that showed up. I'm gonna log off now, and if you wanna maybe reach out to me on Instagram, that would be fine. I would do my best to explain to you as much as I can. But I'm so glad that this is working for Canon 80D and anyone else that has any Canon camera. All right, I'm going to end it now. So if anyone wants to actually watch this later, you can. FYI, I'm streaming from my Canon 80D camera connected to my MacBook Pro using a USB-C USB type C male to a mini USB, and that's it. Yes, you need a second software. The second software is called the EOS Web Service Registration Tool. And then the other one is the EOS Utility. And once you get that registration service, it's like you register your computer and you're good to go. Just follow the step. It's really easy. I just did this in about 20 minutes. I just started this whole thing 20 minutes ago and it kind of worked out. So I will see you guys hopefully soon. Bye, everybody. Yes, babes.